Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your POLY Voyager 360. So, until your earbuds is idle, right here at the left earbud we have this touch areas, so just slide up to enable ANC and slide down to enable transparency mode. Next one, if you press and hold these controls on your left or right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I call it Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold. I guess I should put it to my ear firstly. And now press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. Next one. To play and pause a song, just press one time on your left or right control. So let's check it. I'm just pressing it and I pause the song, I press again and I play a song. Now if you listen to music, you can use these touch areas to volume up and volume down the music. So just slide up or slide down. Let me show it to you. Now I'm slide up to increase the volume, and as you can see I increase it and again I increase it. To lower it, just slide down. So slide down and again slide down. And it works. Cool. Now, if you speak with someone, you can just slide up to mute the microphone and slide down to unmute it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.